During the 40 years of wandering in the wilderness, God instructed Moses to strike the rock to give water to the people. When Moses heard the people complaining, he raged in uncontrolled anger, and struck the rock twice. For striking the rock twice, instead of once, Moses was not permitted to enter the promised land. The rock not only symbolized Christ, as the root of the tablets of stone, it also symbolized God, the origin of Christ. God started the course anew, by elevating Joshua to Moses' place. Later, the Israelites, under Joshua's leadership, set out for the city of Jericho. After marching around the fortified city for 6 days, on the 7th day, 7 priests surrounded the city walls 7 times, blowing the 7 trumpets. Joshua launched attacks, defeating 31 kings altogether. This victory laid the foundation of substance, and completed the national foundation for the Messiah. But, fallen people had already founded powerful nations. It would be necessary to build a sovereign kingdom from which the Messiah could confront the satanic nations of the world. However, once the younger generation of Israelites entered Canaan, they also became faithless, and God's providence was prolonged again until the time of Jesus.